Everyone, this is me again, Mark, and for this video or for this feature, I'm going to tour you inside the penthouse of the Horizons 101, and we are at the Tower 1 of this project. This is developed by the Top Properties. As we all know, Top Properties is the series or the company of the Gaisanos, and this is one of the highest penthouse or one of the highest project residential condominium building that you can buy here in Cebu City. And this penthouse is a 3-story penthouse, and right now I am here inside this like a pantry, or you can make it stock room, and it's ready because you have here the cabinets. As I'm going to tour you with this penthouse, you can see that this penthouse is fully furnished because we are selling this as fully furnished. And maybe this area here you can turn into your laundry area, you can put your shower and dryer because there is a provision here for the shower and for the dryer and washing. And or maybe you can make this into your maid's room or helper's room if you have one. And this is the main bedroom, main door of the penthouse. It's really huge because we are on the penthouse level, the 55th level of this building, and this one is one of the tallest building here in Cebu City that you can buy. I tell you, you will not regret, even though you will just try to visit here, and then if you have that money, 52 million plus, then I guarantee buy this one because you will not regret. Even you will make this as your residential or for your investment. So this one is, we have here the solid table here, the console table, and you have this circular mirror. And on this side, we have the powder room, and powder room that you can function as your shower because there is a small area here for your shower, and you have this very small lavatory here, and you can push this up to open, and you have this very thin cabinet that you can utilize your things, your toiletries, your meds, and you have this really nice mirror. And this penthouse is about 108 square meters, and we are selling this one for 52 million pesos. And the good thing with this penthouse is it's like later on we will go on the top level or the 3rd story of the penthouse, which the Sky Garden is located, and there you will feel that you are the king of this penthouse or the king of this building, because on that level you don't have anyone, it's yours, it's everything there is yours. And this is a 3-story penthouse, fully furnished. The 1st story of the penthouse, we have this the stock room, your powder room with shower, and you have your living area fully furnished, your dining area over there, your kitchen which is equipped, and on the 2nd floor you have the 1st bedroom, the main bedroom, which has having an ensuite, and you have this area, this very small area that you can make into your office, and the 1st bedroom. And from now we will try to visit this one, and this is, I think if you love cooking, this will be your area because this is in an equipped kitchen. As I mentioned, equipped. Some of the penthouse in Cebu you will buy without this really solid. This is really solid parts, and you have the microwave. You have an area here that you can utilize, and you have this cabinets for the cutlery, the utensils, and you have here for your plates. And this one, this kitchen also equipped with your range hood, electric cooktop, and oven. And what I like with this kitchen, not only because it's spacious, because you have here the, I want to show you this one because it's really nice, and I really like this one. And I never, I don't know which penthouse so far I visited that I've never seen this one, because you have this built-in fridge. You have this built-in fridge, and you have this freezer below, and I really like because it's really like it's nice here on the glass. It's really nice, and it's very solid. And I want another thing with this kitchen is not only you have this mini cabinets, you have also here your dishwasher. And I really like this one because, you know, someone tapulan like me, like this one, I really don't like to wash dishes that you just put there. And you have no choice because it's already here, so you have to use this one. And this is the kitchen area, and I want to bring you to your living area right here. Inside your dining, maybe we just close this one. And here is your living area, and I really like how they put here the designs or the interior of this living room is very minimalist. The color, I like the color because it's really simple, but yet it's very elegant. And you have here your finished furnitures for your TV and other. There are drawers over there, and that's your dining. And what I like with this penthouse, we all know that penthouse having this very nice views, but you know, aside from being the top penthouse or the top level penthouse, because I visited the penthouse of 38 Park Avenue and it's on the 38 level, but this one, it's, you know, you have to think this one, this is a 55th level penthouse. It's really, you are on really the top penthouse of the Cebu City. And I want to bring you right now on the second floor, and let's go. And I really like the design of this stairs, and I like the wood, the solid wood that is quite decorated in this penthouse. And here is your second floor, and the same as your ground, not the ground floor, but the first level of the penthouse. You have the air conditioning, and on the bedrooms also having air conditioning, and they are all packaged with the same. And on this, I'll just close this one because it's really against the light. But you have this ceiling to floor window, a glass wall, and it's yours. All the what's happening outside there is you can see, especially during the night. And I really like the view because you can see the CCLX, that the SRP, everything outside, it's there. And later on, because this is like the cherry of this penthouse, the third level, which is the Sky Garden, I really like there because it's really private. And this one, having your Samsung split type aircon, and you have this two beds right here, and I think this one is pull up, and you can pull up these beds. Yeah, you can put another beds below, and they are the same with this one. So maybe you can utilize this one, and you can, I don't know if you will remove the first bed and we'll just pull up the other one. And let's go now to your main bedroom, and you have your cabinet here. And that area over there, maybe we will just try to visit this area first. And you have here, this one, the cabinets, and maybe you can utilize this for your extra things that you can put that your bedroom can accommodate. So maybe you'll just put here things like your pillows for your bedrooms, your bed sheets, anything it's very useful. And you have here area, you can make this, I think it's your office area, or maybe you can put more books here if you love to read books, and maybe something that you can use. I'm sorry, I have so very cough. And you have here the common toilet and bathroom, and the same in the ground floor. You have this very small shower area, and it's common because we have another one for the main bedroom. There is a own toilet and bathroom, and right now we will just visit them. And let's go. I think we'll just close this one. And I really like the penthouse because not only it is located at the heart of the Midtown, because we are now on Mount Avenue, and later on we'll also check the amenities of this penthouse. And another split type aircon, the Samsung brand, and you have here. Don't you worry with this one because this is just only a wallpaper, and we'll just can remove this one and we will just fix upon your moving. And this is your main bedroom, and the same as to your first floor. You have this ceiling to wall, glass wall, and you have that view. You can enjoy it 24/7, the whole day, the whole week. And this is your, I will just visit the bathroom of this penthouse, the main bedroom, because it has an ensuite. You have here another cabinet here that you can use for, just close this one. And here. And I think this one, yeah, you can still remove this. Yeah. And again, we are selling this. It's 108 square meters, 2-bedroom penthouse, 55th floor of the Tower 1 of the Horizons 101. And maybe you are confusing why it is 101, because it's 101 because this project consists of 2 towers. We are now on the Tower 1 and 55th floor, and the Tower 2 is a 46th floor, so total it's 101. So it's not, the whole building is like 101 building, 101 floor. But rather, it's still the top penthouse that you can buy here in Cebu City. And this is the ensuite of the master's bedroom. You have here your bathtub and your shower there, your CR, and this is it. This is on the second level of the penthouse. And right now, I would like to bring you to the third level of the penthouse. And as I mentioned from the start of the video, the third level is really light, because you are like living in your dream if you go there. Because of the view, because of the privacy. And let's go now, because I really want to show you this one. And I think you will also like this one if you're going to buy this one. So let's go here. So this is the third level of the penthouse. And this level is actually your sky garden. And look at this. You own this sky garden. You don't have to go here. You don't have to compete with anyone, because it's yours. Out of all these 2 towers of the penthouse, this is the only penthouse having this sky garden. You are the only one who can use this one. So it's like really privacy. So from this sky garden, you can see the third bridge. There's a Togo ship, and the whole as in the whole Mactan Island, coming from Cordova going to the Punta Engaño, tip to tip, the whole Mactan Island, you have that view. So whether it's sunny days like this day, you have this beautiful view of this penthouse, and yeah, this is yours. So you have to message me, set an appointment to visit this penthouse, because we are very friendly when it comes to acquiring this penthouse. You can make this into bank loan, or you can pay it into spot cash, and we have this very friendly payment scheme that you can use so that you can acquire this penthouse. Go first. So this has been me again, Mark, and I thank you for viewing, but hopefully not viewing, buying this penthouse. So buy this one, enjoy yourself, live like a king, a queen with this penthouse, with the most top floor penthouse that you can buy in Cebu City. So I'm going to leave all of the details of this penthouse, all of the my contact numbers. Maybe you can call me on my WhatsApp number, which is 63 +63 935738514, and my message, my email, markanthonydavid 697@gmail.com. That's one word. And this is it. I would like to give you another, the last idea of the penthouse. This is a 2-bedroom penthouse, 3 toilet and bathroom, 3-story penthouse, fully furnished, equipped. We have lots of air cons with this penthouse, beautiful view, floor to ceiling, glass walls, so you have that unobstructed view of the penthouse. And yeah, it's 108 square meters and it's for sale for about 52 million pesos. And since we are very friendly, just message me because you can loan this on the bank financing. And yeah, so hopefully you will buy this one. Thank you, bye bye, God bless you all.
And this is the amenity level of the Horizons 101. Kids play area, the swimming pool, and that's the tower 1, and that's the tower 2, and that's the pool, that's the gazebo, and the swimming pool and the garden. And that's going to the game room, and that's going to the gym. That's the tower 1, and that's the tower 1, and that's the tower 2. And that's the gym, but I don't know if there is someone inside the gym. Later we will just check if there's people inside the gym. And this is the outdoor sitting garden. And this is the amenity level of the Horizons 101. We will try if there are people inside the gym. And this is the gym of Horizons 101. That's the Tower 2 and Mango Avenue Street, and the Tower 1, and that's the parking.